Avax price prediction and technical analysis. We'll go over this article by A&B Crypto, as well as doing our own technical analysis. And if you're looking for a token to support on the Avalanche network and earn passive income, I have one for you. Welcome back. Moneybags Rico here, bringing you financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said, now we got the Avalanche native cryptocurrency Avax achieved a strong midweek bounce, suggesting that the altcoin is attracting a lot of attention at its current prices. The token rallied by more than 12% on the 12th of July, a prompt recovery after its bearish performance on the 10th of July to the 12th of July. Zooming out on Avax price reveals that its latest uptick occurred after its retest in June support levels. Okay, and we'll go over that in just a bit. This outcome aligns with Avax range price action ever since it broke out of the wedge pattern, which we talked about in the last video about Avax price prediction. Check it out if you haven't. If this performance persists for the next few weeks, then a slight upside can be expected before the resistance kicks back in. And we talked about the wedge pattern before, but what we're going to talk about in this video when we get into the technical analysis is the range that we're trading within right now. Okay, Avax bottomed out at 1637. Those who follow the channel know that I got in at 17 bucks on, so 1637 on July 13th before the bulls regained control, and the bulls did. I got in at 17 bucks, 17 and some change. The token traded at 1818 at press time after occurring some resistance due to sell pressure near the 50% relative strength index, the RSI level, right? Avax money flow index, something that we hear on the channel a lot. The MFI revealed that the cryptocurrency enjoyed healthy accumulation. So that's something that I talk about a lot. And these areas we can tell once we get into these charts right away. We have Avax, of course, up 5.5%. The volume is up 1.4%. We're trading at about $19.67 right now, 65 cents. Okay. Now getting to these charts really quick before we move on to that token at the end of the video, that'll get you massive passive income. And if you support the Avax blockchain, this is one you definitely want to look at. But this is that range trading that we're in right now. Okay. We're trading within the 16.96, which is that psychological barrier at the $17 range, all the way up to $21.42. The reason I have this marked up here is if we move the chart to the 6 hour chart right here, where we can see that we're almost going to meet up. If we break out of this right here, which it looks like we want to, this 200 moving A, we would have a break to above this 21.42, and then we go up a little bit higher to the 12-hour chart. We can see where that 200 moving A average would almost align to this area, right? Where we can see that this would be a great area to maybe take some profits. Of course, not financial advice, do your own due diligence. But those who want to accumulate almost play a game, a double dutch. Not sure where you guys are from, if you guys ever heard of the game, but it's a game of jump rope that people play. This is where you accumulate. Buying here, selling here. Buying here, selling here. Buying here, selling here. Now that's a lot easier said than done. The best ways to really do it is to use all your indicators together. This one would have been really tricky to call because it was in the overbought area already. So it's really hard to call. I'd rather wait to see it very oversold in that accumulation area, like they were talking about in the article with the MFI, and then riding that range up here. And we noticed on the 4 hour chart, that's when we broke out of the 200 moving A, the 900 moving A, and the 25 moving A, so moving average. So right now we have that same scenario happening right now. But if you notice that time when we did that, look at how overbought we were already. This is why I'm a little bit more bullish in this price action we're having right now, where we could see a break above the 21.42 this time, instead of the price being rejected twice like it has already, due to the fact that the MFI has a lot of more space to grow. Notice how much space it has now. When before, when it did this, it was already gassed out. It was out of breath already, okay? And this resistance area, we're always going to flip these. So notice how they were supports before, support, support, resistance, resistance, okay? So now we have this support, support. Let's see if we can flip this up here again, where these resistance up here become support. So if we have a break and we have this design that I show you guys all the time, looking like so, we could see that break to that $28 range, $29 range, possibly going to that $30 range, that psychological barrier, right? Now for that Avax token that I really hope that you guys sit to the end of the video, it's Boop token, 23% in reflections to the holders. I want you guys to come over here, do your due diligence, tap in with them, let them know Moneybags Rico sent you, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and make sure the bell notification is lit. Like that, you guys can keep coming back and experiencing the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.